Ladies and gentlemen, we finally have it. The moment of truth. I cannot believe it's finally here. I'm here with a guest speaker. Say hi.
Hey guys, what's up?
Today we're going to be opening this, and if you don't know, a couple of weeks ago, my parents got me something on eBay. I don't know what it is. Something World War II related, obviously. We're going to be opening today. We're going to be looking at it. It seems something like maybe, I really don't know what it is. So if you see this open here, my parents did look at it to make sure it was what it was. So we're going to be, opening it, looking at it. Let's go. So
Can't wait.
let's do a countdown. 3, 2,
2,
1.
1.
Paper.
Tissue paper.
Cool. Okay. Oh my gosh, I already know what it is.
Really?
Yes, I already know. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my gosh, I've been asking for these. Okay, I've wanted so many. This is Yank.
Yank magazine. Interesting.
Cool. This is a cool cop. Oh, yo, there's like 3.
More?
Okay, bro.
Wait, they just keep going.
Yo. There's like 80 of them in here. One for every year that we have, it's been since the war. So let's take this over to my bed. Just look at them all. Let's go check that out. Okay, we have everything out here laying out, and oh my gosh, what are we doing? Look how many there are.
That's crazy.
Okay, me and my buddy here, we've both picked out one, and we're gonna show you it, and we're gonna show what we like about it. So, you wanna go first?
Yeah, sure. So, I'm gonna choose the this one. It's a GI Global Sketchbook. So pages 2 through 9 are the soldiers' sketches. I think that's what that. And if you open it up, you can tell this amazing drawing. And I'm not like an art guy. I just think it's really cool. It says infantry of the 96th Division. It's called Eat Chow in the Rain, I think.
Shout out to Sergeant Jack Rouge. Shout out to that guy.
Then there's there's these crazy, awesome sketches in the first 9 pages.
Bro, this is freaking off. This is a good choice.
Yeah. Iran, China, Jerusalem, England, France, Florida, Virginia.
That part's getting edited now.
Also Virginia, Holland, and Germany. Wow. This is all like the countries.
Cool stuff. Good choice.
Thank you. Now let's see what you had.
Alright, I chose this one over here. This one's cool because it's a VE Day copy. And much like yours, it has a lot of pictures just from the war, and a lot of the famous ones that you come to love today, and a lot of ones that you haven't seen. Like a lot of interesting ones here.
So what's special about this one?
This one's from VE Day, so when Victory in Europe.
Oh, okay.
There's a lot of cool pictures here. Holy crap. Yeah, I haven't looked through all of them. I kind of did a quick skim. There's a D-Day one. Some gun ones. This one is extremely iconic.
Yeah, I've seen that. I always forget the name of it. It's the French arc thing.
It's Arch to Trivion.
Oh, okay.
Arch to Variant.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not saying that.
Very cool ones. Some other cool ones that I'd like to point out. That's a cool one.
Civilian jeeps. Yeah.
This is a cool one.
That's a great cover photo.
And I have to say, I think that the coolest one, other than the ones we've photoed out, is this one. This one is from Okinawa, and that one's really cool. And if you notice, all of them have, little things on them. They were, sent to all these soldiers. It's really cool. And at first I thought this one was, Holocaust survivors, but this was actually American soldiers who were prisoners of Germans. Or prisoners of the Germans, so.
Yeah, in all these magazines used to be just 5 cents.
Can you imagine buying anything for 5 cents these days?
Yeah.
You can't even buy, a candy wrapper. No,
Yeah.
not even the candy, just the wrapper.
Just the wrapper.
You can't even buy the wrapper for that much these days. So it's interesting, this one's VJ Day, which I'm assuming means victory over Japan. There's some cool ones in here. Everyone's celebrating the end of the war. What's this one? Sad Sack. This has got some stuff on like that guy. Got some the death of President Roosevelt. That's interesting. This is Berlin. This is the Brandenburg Gate right there, and that's the their Capitol building. I forget the name. It's the Reichstag. Moving on. This is this one. Statue of Liberty.
Oh.
Miss
America.
Liberty. Pin-up girl.
Pin-up girl.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
What is
We
it?
have that one. This week's cover. It,
Oh yeah, that's where's that one?
oh, that's this one. What?
Oh, is that? Oh, okay. That
I
makes
was like, wait, we have that one. Let's look at the jokes in the back. These ones are always funny.
the comics.
I love comics.
These ones are long.
Blow up the war end. Wow,
Here.
hysterical reveals.
This one has a bunch of them.
What's that one?
Jen Miller,
General Miller.
Oh, General Miller, my wife, she has the brains behind some of my most successful campaigns.
Nice wife, dude. Men. Just screaming at him. Alright, we got some... There's some other cool ones. We really do not have time to look through all of these.
There are so many.
There are just so many of them. I will make separate videos. Maybe if you let me know if you want to see this guy again. Thank you so much for watching. You have something to tell them?
Yeah, if you guys have been paying attention, have you tried to count how many ducks you've seen in this video?
Not different types of ducks. How
the
many
duck.
times you've seen it?
The duck.
The duck. Specifically.
Rewatch it if you missed it.
Yeah.
Thanks for having me, buddy.
No problem. Thanks for coming on. Well, we'll see you in the next one. And let me know if you want to see him again. Bye.